Welcome everyone to today's webinar. Happy for everyone to join us today. Today's topic is what's new in SDS2 2026. Specifically, we'll be covering how to detail more materials with SDS2. We have custom profiles, we have smarter welding and layouts, and then we have a number of toolbox updates as well to share with you. So first off, a couple introductions here. So my name's David Zapka. I'm a product manager here for our prefabrication segment and squad within Allplan. So that means I lead a number of teams, both steel related, and precast related, all things detailing and fabrication. I have with me today Anthony Joseph. Anthony is a product owner for us for our steel detailing and fabrication focus at Allplan, very specifically with SDS2. So Anthony, great to have you. Would you care to give us a little introduction to yourself?
Thank you, David. Welcome everyone to the webinar today. My name is Anthony Joseph. I work as product owner for SDS2 with Allplan. And I take care of the detailing and fabrication division of the development team. And we both together will be taking you all through the improvements that we have done for the new version of SDS2. Over to you, David.
Yeah, very good. Okay, thank you, Anthony. So quick look at our agenda for today. So we have 4 different topics that we'll cover. First one is additional material types that we can detail with SDS2. Second is the custom profiles, which allows us to create any number of profiles from a DWG file and extrude those in SDS2. So this opens up the capabilities for anything like decking, cladding, architectural elements, you name it, we can import that and utilize that now. We've also enhanced the BIMPLUS upload, so everybody's getting a license of BIMPLUS with their SDS2 subscription now, utilizing that more than ever. So we want to continue with that collaboration and enhancing the information that goes from our detailing tool up to our collaboration platform, and in this case, really specifically some of the fabrication data that comes from our detailing tools. We've enhanced the way that it gets uploaded there. And then finally, we'll end it off with weld layouts in the model for more precise welding to pass to our shop equipment.